What is it that helps manufacturing companies stay ahead of the competition? The key is digitalization. With its help, we can synchronize work steps and optimize entire value chains. This turns companies into digital enterprises. But what does that really mean? It means optimizing ideation processes and planning with the support of a digital twin. Design products digitally and simulate their characteristics virtually. Plan, simulate, and engineer production facilities digitally. Evaluate and assess the performance of real production and products in real time, in order to optimize both continuously. This is only possible with a holistic approach. The Digital Enterprise Suite.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.